In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get new stickers on Monopoly Go. If you're trying to complete sticker albums, unlock rewards, and keep your momentum going, this guide will walk you through the most reliable ways to collect new stickers without wasting time or resources. Let's start with the simplest habit that pays off: play daily. Logging in every day gives you access to daily rewards, and some of those include free stickers or sticker packs. Even a short check-in can add up over a week, so make it part of your routine. Next, keep an eye on events and tournaments. These limited time challenges often award sticker packs at different milestone tiers. Jump in early, track your progress in the event panel, and use your dice wisely when multipliers are active to reach those reward thresholds faster. Consistency across the event window is usually more effective than a single long session. Quick wins are another reliable source. These are small daily objectives, things you'll likely do anyway, so completing them is an easy way to earn extra rewards, including stickers. Check the list, knock them out, and claim everything before the reset, so nothing goes to waste. Don't forget the in-game shop. Look for free gifts that refresh periodically. Many times, these bundles include sticker packs or cards. Set a reminder to check the shop whenever you log in so you never miss the freebies. Trading with friends is one of the fastest ways to fill gaps in your album. Swap your duplicates for the ones you're missing using the in-game trading features. Keep trades fair, communicate clearly about which cards you need, and avoid sharing personal information outside the app. As you play, open community chests whenever they're available. These chests can drop stickers, and the more consistently you play, the more chances you'll have to open them. Pair chest openings with active events when possible to maximize overall rewards. Completing property color sets on your board can grant sticker packs as well. Plan your upgrades and rolls to finish sets efficiently. If you're close to completing a set, consider focusing your resources to secure that pack sooner. Finally, make use of duplicate exchanges. Converting duplicates into rewards can yield new stickers or extra dice that help you earn more packs. Start by exchanging duplicates you have in abundance, and always claim the resulting rewards immediately so you can keep the cycle going. Put these methods together: daily play, events, quick wins, shop gifts, trading, community chests, property sets, and duplicate exchanges, and you'll steadily grow your sticker collection and complete albums faster. Happy collecting, and good luck on your next pack!